Okay. Good afternoon. Okay. We can continue with what we are discussing in the morning session. Okay. Morning session, we discussed about probability of getting a sum. Okay, when two dice are thrown, what is the probability of getting sum as even number? What is the probability of getting sum as the odd number, and all? Okay. Now we can do with the next one. Write the question. Next one. Next question is also a very important question. Write the question. A piggy bank contains.
And it become that a pack of 20 bucks.
Yeah, repeat it.
And that last is a pack of 20 bulbs.
That one we completed or not? We completed, I think. We completed that question. Yes, Ashik?
Yes, ma'am.
We completed that one, Henry. Write the next one. A piggy bank contains. A piggy bank contains. A piggy bank contains 150 pice coins. A piggy bank contains 150 pice coins. A piggy bank contains 150 pice coins. 150 pice coins. 51 rupee coin. 51 rupee coin.
Ma'am, after
Yes, Savio?
Ma'am, now after containing 150 paisa coin.
Yes. It contains 150 pice coin, 51 rupee coin. 50. 51 rupee coin, 22 rupees coin, 22 rupees coin, and 10 5 rupees coin. 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 One coin is selected. One coin is selected. One coin is selected by turning the bank upside down. Piggy bank means you might have seen. Okay, some toy where we put the coins and all. Okay, so one coin is selected by turning the piggy bank upside down. One coin is selected by turning the piggy bank upside down. One coin is selected by turning the piggy bank upside down. What is the probability? What is the probability that? What is the probability that the coin will be? What is the probability that the coin will be? First one, a 50 pice coin. First one, a 50 pice coin. Second one will not be a 5 rupees coin. What is the probability that first one, it will be a 50 pice coin. Second one will not be a 5 rupees coin. It will not be a 5 rupees coin. What is the question here? Look at the question given here. A piggy bank contains 150 pice coin, 51 rupee coin, 22 rupees coin, and 10 5 rupees coin. Okay. And what is asked? By turning the piggy bank upside down, we select one coin. And what is the probability that the selected coin is a 50 pice? What is the answer? So what is the total number of coins here? What is the total number of coins? We have 150 pice coin, 51 rupee coin, 22 rupees coin, and 10 1 rupees coin. So what is the total coins we will have?
180.
Yes, Nirubama. Yes, correct. It is 180. Total coins we have is 180. And what is asked in the first case? We want to find the probability of 50 pice coin. What is the answer? We want a 50
100
pice
by
coin.
180.
Yes, correct. It is 100 by 180. So this one we can simplify. 10 by 18, which is equivalent to 5 by 9. Now the second one, it will not be a 5 rupees coin. It is not a 5 rupees coin. Then in that case, what will be the answer? It will not be a 5 rupees coin. What will be the answer? It is not a 5 rupees coin.
170 by 180.
We don't want 5 rupees. So this 10 you can avoid. So the remaining is 170. Yes. It is 170 by 180. 0, 0 will get cancelled. It is 17 by 18. It is 17 by 18. Write the next one. Write the next one. A box contains. Yes, Savio?
Next question only.
Yes. A box contains. A box contains lots. A box contains lots with numbers 2 to 101. With numbers 2 to 101. Okay, a box contains lots with numbers 2 to 101. Okay, it contains numbers. Numbers are from 2 to 101. 2 to 101. One number is selected at random. 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 Find the probability. One number is selected at random. Find the probability that the number is. Find the probability that the number is. First one, a one-digit number. First one, it is a one-digit number. Second one, a perfect square. Second one, a perfect square. Third one, a 2-digit number. 2-digit number. Third one, 2-digit number. Fourth one, multiple of 5. Fifth one, divisible by 8. Multiple of 5. Next one, divisible by 8. It's 2 to 101. 1-digit number, a perfect square. A 2-digit number, multiple of 5, divisible by 8. Yes, Xavier, listen here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, listen, children. So look at the question. What is given? In a box, there are lots or papers written with the numbers 2 to 101. We have numbers from 2 to 101. So total, how many numbers are there?
100.
2 to 101 means it is 100. Okay. When this type of questions are asked, you have to read it carefully. Listen. Okay. Now listen. Listen 1 second, all of you listen. Suppose the question is given. Numbers from 1 to 100 is written in paper. Numbers between 1 to 100 is written. What is there any difference? In probability, these are all some tricky questions. Whenever this type of questions are asked, you have to be very careful. Numbers from 1 to 100. Okay, now for the time being, you leave from 2 to 101. You'll first concentrate from this part. Suppose numbers from 1 to 100 is written in a paper. Okay, and in the another question, it is given numbers between 1 to 100 is written. Is it same or is there any difference here? Numbers from 1 to 100 means?
1 and 100 is included.
Yes, 1 and 100 is included. In that case, total number will be 100. Numbers between 1 and 100 means? It is given as between. So
They
1
won't
and,
included.
yes, 1 and 100 is not there. Okay, so only the numbers 2, etc. up to 99 is there. So in probability, most of the time, whenever these types of questions are asked, okay, their chance of committing mistake is more. So you have to go through the question, read it, whether it is given from or whether it is given as between. That point you have to note it down. Okay, likewise, look at the question here. Numbers from 2 to 101. So which number is not there? 1 is not there, isn't it? From 1 to 100, there are 100 numbers. 1 is not there. Instead of that, 101 is included. So what is the total number of cards here? What is the total number? 100. Okay, so here total number is 100. So now you can answer this part. How many 1-digit number? What is the probability of getting a 1-digit number? What is the answer? What is the probability of getting a 1-digit number? How many 1-digit numbers will be there?
8 1-digit number.
8, isn't it? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, isn't it? Don't write 9. We have only 8. So 8 by 100. Okay, if you want, you can write it and count and write. How many numbers are there? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What about the next case? A perfect square. A perfect square. Perfect square means which are the numbers? From 2 to 101. So perfect square means which are the numbers you will get? You'll get 4, isn't it? Then 9, 16. 1 is a perfect square, but 1 is not there. That is why we don't write 1. 4, 9, 16. Then 5 square is 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100. Isn't it? So what is the answer? What is the probability of getting a perfect square?
9.
So the probability is 9 by 100. Probability is 9 by 100. Next one, a 2-digit number. What is the probability of getting a 2-digit number? How many 2-digit numbers are there from 2 to 101? How many 2-digit numbers are there?
90.
90. Is it correct? Others, please check it. 90.
Yes, ma'am.
91 only.
Yes, Savio? 90?
91.
91.
I'm 91.
How you are getting 91?
I'm 90.
So,
90.
92.
92. Okay, I'm getting so many options. 90, 91, 92. Okay. Okay, you take the numbers from 1 to 99. Okay, you take the numbers from 1 to 9 because 100 is a 2-digit number. How many 1-digit numbers are there from 1 to 99?
8.
Is it 8 1-digit number? 1 to 99 if you take.
99.
So 9 numbers, isn't it? So how many 2-digit numbers will be there if you remove that 9?
91.
90.
90. Okay, 90 is the answer. Okay, how many 2-digit numbers are there? 2-digit numbers are there. 90 2-digit numbers. We can write this as 90 by 100. What about a multiple of 5?
Twenty.
19. Others, check it, children. Is it correct? 19 or 20?
20.
20.
Huh?
20.
20. Okay, 5. If you want, you can calculate like this. 20 into 5 only will get 100. Is that no? If you don't know like this, what you can do, you can write it. Multiples of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. You can write it, count and write. 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So we'll get 20. So the probability is 20 by 100. It is 20 by 100. Similarly, next one, divisible by 8 means it is same as multiple of 8. No, divisible by 8. In other words, we can say it is a multiple of 8. What will be the answer? Multiple of 8. Divisible by 8. Answer is divisible by 8. 12. 12 8s are 96. Is it correct? If you take 9, it will exceed 101. 12 9s are 108, isn't it? It will exceed. So it is not possible. Up to 101 only we have. So it will be 12. So it is 12 by 100. It is 12 by 100. Okay. All right, the next one. Two players, Reshma and Sangeeta. Two players, Reshma and Sangeeta, play table tennis. Two players, Reshma and Sangeeta, play table tennis. Two players, Reshma and Sangeeta, play table tennis. It is known that the probability of Sangeeta winning the match is, it is known that the probability of Sangeeta winning the match is 0.62. It is known that probability that Sangeeta winning the match is 0.62. Okay. It's known that probability that Sangeeta winning the match is 0.62. What is the probability that probability of Reshma winning the match? Probability of Reshma winning the match. What is the probability of Reshma winning the match?
Uh, 0.38.
Yes, correct. Probability of Sangeeta winning the match is 0.62. What we have to find? Probability of Reshma winning the match. Reshma is winning means it is same as Sangeeta is losing the match, isn't it? Probability of Reshma winning the match is same as probability of Sangeeta losing the match. Is losing. Okay, one person is winning means the other person is losing. That is same as 1 minus probability of Sangeeta is winning. This one we call it as complementary event. Negation. Sangeeta is losing means it is same as 1 minus the probability of Sangeeta is winning the match. So which is 1 minus 0.62, which is equivalent to 0.38. They are complementary. Complementary means when you add these two events, you will get 1. If some Reshma wins, Sangeeta is loser. If Reshma is the winner, okay, it only one of the thing is possible. So total probability is 1. From the 1, you subtract the probability of Sangeeta's winning. That one you will get the probability of Sangeeta is losing. Sangeeta is losing means same as Reshma is winning the match. Such events we call it as complementary events. So write this point as note. Note. Note down this notation, children. E bar or E dash, both are same. E bar or E dash. In some books, they use the notation E dash. In some books, you can use the notation E bar. Is used to denote the complement of E. Is used to denote the complement of the event E. Is used to denote the complement of the event E. Okay, for example, if you take E as getting a getting a even number, then E bar you can take it as getting an odd number. Suppose E is getting an even number means E bar will be getting an odd number. So E bar or E dash is used to denote the complement of the event E. So we know that P of E plus P of E bar will be always 1. Probability of an event plus probability of its complement will be equivalent to 1. So probability of E bar will be equivalent to 1 minus P of E. P of E bar will be equivalent to 1 minus P of E. Total probability is 1. So from there, if you subtract, you will get the other case. Finished? Is it okay, children? Melvin? So the next question we are going to discuss is based on this complementary event. Write the question. Ravi and Hari are friends. Ravi and Hari are friends. Ravi and Hari are friends. What is the probability? What is the probability that both will have? What is the probability that both will have? What is the probability that both will have? First one, same birthday. Okay. Same birthday. Second one, different birthday. Same birthday. Next one is different birthday. within bracket you write, ignoring a leap year. Ignoring a leap year. Okay, it is not a leap year. You consider that as a usual year. So within brackets, write this as ignoring a leap year. You're ignoring a leap year. That means we consider only a ordinary year. Okay, consider only a ordinary year. So how many days will be there for an ordinary year? How many days are there for an ordinary year? 365 days. And for a leap year? 366. Okay, so total number of days will be 365 for an ordinary year. Here it is given, it is an ordinary year, isn't it? Ignoring a leap year means we take an ordinary year. What is asked? Probability of having the same birthday. What will be the answer if they are getting the birthday on same day? What is the answer?
1 by 365.
Yes, same birthday means it is 1 by 365. Different birthdays means what you can do? You take the complement, isn't it? Different means it is same as 1 minus 1 by 365, not same. So which is same as 364 by 365. Different birthdays means it is not same. So we can subtract it from 1 and we can write. It is 364 by 365. 364 by 365.
Ma'am, can you show it again?
Okay. Now write the next one. Next two questions we are going to discuss are HOTS question. Children, in your question paper, listen all of you. If you look in the question paper pattern, there are 3 sections. Section A, Section B, Section C. 3 sections are there. In Section A, 20 questions are there. 20 questions are of somewhat average type questions. Okay. Somewhat, okay, some easy questions, average type of questions. The next section B, 20 questions that and all are application level questions. In section B, you can expect the HOTS question, application level questions in section B. And section C, it is case study questions. Okay, if you take the question paper, a question paper will be like in this form. Okay, 3 sections are there. So in section A, okay, 20 questions are there. You have to answer any 16. You have to answer any 16 questions. And they are all average type. First 16 are all of average type. If you take the next section B, again 20 questions are there. You have to answer in any 16. And in section C, you have 10 questions. Here, section C, you will get case study questions. This one will be case study questions. Here, these are all application, HOTS question, everything will be asked in section B. Here, you will get average type of questions. Average, easy, everything will be coming in section A. So, case study questions, 10 questions, you have to answer any 8 questions. And so total, how many questions you have to answer? 16 plus 16? 32. 32 plus 8? 40. So you have to answer 40 questions out of total there are 50 questions. Clear? This is your question paper pattern. 40 questions you have to answer out of 50 questions. Section A, you have to answer any 16. Section B, you have to answer any 16. Section C, out of 10, you have to answer any 8. In section C, you'll get case study questions. And each question carries 1 mark. So total is 1 into 40 is 40 marks. Each question carry 1 mark here. Is it clear? Is your question paper pattern okay? So in question paper pattern, this in section A, it will be based on the concept, the theory, the definition part and all, make it thorough. Most probably, most of the questions in section A will be direct. But section B, application level question, by practicing as many questions only, you'll be able to answer such questions. Section B. Okay. Now, the next 2 questions we are going to solve are from the section B type questions, application type of questions from probability. Okay. Write the question. Write the question. A bag contains 5 red. A bag contains 5 red and some blue balls. A bag contains 5 red and some blue balls. And some blue balls. If the probability of drawing a blue ball, if the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of the red ball, if the probability of drawing a blue ball, if the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of a red ball, is double that of a red ball, determine the number of blue balls. Determine the number of blue balls in the bag. Determine the number of blue balls in the bag. Determine the number of blue balls in the bag. Determine the number of blue balls in the bag.
Can you say the question once more?
A bag contains 5 red balls and some blue balls. A bag contains 5 red balls and some blue balls. Okay, a bag contains 5 red balls and some blue balls. If the probability of drawing a blue ball, if the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of a red ball, is double that of a red ball, the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of a red ball, determine Determine the number of blue balls. Determine the number of blue balls. Determine the number of blue balls. Okay, listen, children. What is given here? Look at the question. Okay. A bag contains 5 red balls and some blue balls. We don't know how many blue balls are there. Okay, you take X blue balls. And what is given here? The probability of drawing a blue ball is so if you take the number of blue balls as X, what will be the total balls? Total number of balls will be 5 plus X, isn't it? It will be 5 plus X. Now what is given? Probability of selecting a blue ball is double. Double means twice. Twice the probability of selecting the red ball. Probability of selecting a blue ball is twice the probability of selecting the red ball. So what is the probability of selecting the blue ball? How many blue balls are there? X by X plus 5 or 5 plus X equal to 2 into, what is the probability of selecting a red ball? How many red balls are there? 5 by 5 plus X. So 5 plus X, if we cancel, X will be 10. So what is the number of blue balls? It is 10. Okay. Is it easy one or not? Yes or no? This type of questions and all you can answer it easily. Okay, it's not a difficult one. This type of questions will be included in application type of questions in probability. Okay. So number of blue balls is 10. Okay. So with this, we complete this probability
Can
chapter.
you show the slide?
We have discussed almost all the cases. We complete this probability chapter. Monday onwards, we start revision. Monday, we'll be doing revision from the chapter probability and get ready for the test paper on Wednesday. Wednesday, test paper in probability. So today onwards, what you do? Start revising. Okay. Finished? Hands Steve, is it over?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, today I'll send the sample question paper. So the next class onwards, you have to be ready with the sample question paper given by the board. You have to solve the questions. You should understand what is the pattern, what type of questions are given, everything you have to know that one. So take the printout and be ready with the sample question paper from the next class. Okay. Okay, children. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.